and today we'll be opening up Giant Poopsie Slime Surprise. And I'm Krista and I'm 10.
I'm Tiana. I'm 6.
Now let's open it up. Okay guys, this is what we have here. We tested out some, as you can see right here. So, we have our cup. Place that down. We need our spoon. Our big cup, our shaking cup. That will be what we need. Whatever you choose of your packing, so it's right there. I choose Unicorn Sparkle.
Unicorn red?
Now don't forget your scent. I'm gonna pick this one. This one. That one type of
Pink.
Now pick whatever bottle you want. That is right here. So I'm gonna choose this yellow one. Make sure there's something in there.
This blue one.
No, that's all I need. So let's bring So I'm just gonna place my table. Now let's get started, Tiana. So first thing you need to do
Is the cup.
fill your cup with water 2 times to the measurement. So let's fill it up. Okay, so we got our water. We need 2 cups of it. So we already poured 1 cup in there. Okay, next thing is our powder. I picked the yellow bottle.
I put the blue bottle.
Okay, got mine open. Now let's dump it. And you want to use the whole thing. That's done.
That's done.
Now you don't forget your scent. 5 drops only. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 5. Now you're going to shake it up for 1 minute. Make sure you close the lid tightly. So nothing spills out. Well, you don't have to do it for 1 minute, but at least if you cannot hear the liquid inside. Okay, let's shake. Unicorn Sparkle.
Then we have blue.
That's unicorn magic. So you gotta shake it. You don't necessarily have to shake it fast, but not too slow.
Because go.
And if your arm gets tired, just switch. When it starts getting like this, that means it's almost done. When you can barely hear it.
I just barely have it.
Just keep shaking. Mine's done. So, I'm gonna open it up and see how it looks. Whoa. It looks like this pretty yellow color.
Mine is. Let's see yours.
Okay guys, so this is when we bring in our bowl. Okay, so this is when you bring in your steak. I'm gonna scoop it out and put it in your bowl. Yeah, it might seem sticky at first.
Mine looks like, but it's actually like a cream.
Just try to scoop the rest out later. So add your unicorn magic unicorn circle. Let's open it up. Okay, this is our unicorn sparkle. Oh, it's just like sparkles. I'll help you. Now let's open yours up. Let's see what's inside the unicorn magic. Well, you guys could choose to mix them if you want to, but we're not. There you go. Unicorn magic. Let's see what's inside.
Ooh.
Oh, it's like powder. So now if you don't want to touch the thing, take your spoon, you're gonna mix it up.
Like cereal.
And just keep mixing until it turns into slime. So guys, this is what your final product should look like. Poopsie Sign Surprise. Subscribe for more videos. Click that like bell, like button below, and comment down below. And tell us if you want to see more videos. Look,
Peace.
I'm Chrisaya.
I'm Sian.
That's all you gotta say for now. Bye.